Hello everyone. Welcome to Codeurython. Today we are going to see how to make a registration form using GUI Library and save the data provided by the user in the Excel sheet. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open PyCharm editor and click on Terminal to install necessary libraries. Just type the command pip install tkinter and hit enter. Wait for some time, it will install and manage additional packages that are not part of the Python standard library. Now type pip install pandas in the terminal. Pandas is the most powerful and flexible open source data analysis or manipulation tool available in any language. It is designed to handle structured and real-time data easily. Now type pip install appendpixl in the terminal. It is used to manage Excel files and can perform operations like creating a workbook, reading or writing the data into the cells, saving the file into the destination provided by the user, and much more. Similarly, type the command pip install xlrd. We will use this Python package to merge the Excel files to avoid rewriting. Let's start coding. First, import the installed libraries. Tkinter is the standard GUI library for Python. Python, when combined with Tkinter, provides a fast and easy way to create GUI applications. TK will be used as the object to access their methods. Appendpixl module allows the Python program to read and modify Excel files with valid extensions. Messagebox is the module used to display message boxes in your applications. This module provides a number of functions that you can use to display an appropriate message. We have used showInfo as one of the functions. First, we will prepare a GUI for the registration form. We will declare a window variable naming win and initialize the object of tkinter. Then, to display the title, we will use the title method and provide the text of your choice in brackets. As the program will be asking about the user's personal information, we need to define the properties of labels and fields for different attributes. Labels like first name, last name, age, email, mobile, and city where they live are taken into consideration over here. We will define a new variable for each label and field. We will use the label method and pass the win and name of the label as a parameter. To adjust the position, we will define the value for row and column. The entry method will be used for the field. Similarly, do it for other attributes. We will create 3 buttons like register, clear and load Excel. After clicking register button, all the details provided by the user will be stored in new Excel file. The new file will be merged with the main file so that entire data will be stored at one place. Clear button will clear the fields, and load Excel will open file dialog where user will locate the Excel sheet and the data will be displayed in front of us. Let's understand the save function. First, we will receive the data from the field given by the user using the get method, which will be stored in separate variables. An Excel file that we use for operation is called workbook that contains a minimum of 1 sheet and a maximum of tens of sheets. We have imported workbook class from the appendpixl module. A workbook class is a container that contains all parts of the document. Here we have defined a new workbook. At least 1 sheet is always made with a workbook. You can get it by using the workbook.active property. Appendpixl provides flexibility to read data from the individual cell or write data to it. In the code, we have written data into the 6 cells A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, and F1, as the heading and the rows after them will be filled with the data in corresponding cells. After that, we will save the workbook in the same location where the Python file is saved. After hitting the register button, a message box will be displayed saying that your entry has been saved. We will take 2 variables, file1 and file2. File1 will read the path of reg.xlsx, and file2 will read the path of reg1.xlsx. We are going to create a list that contains both data frames. The order of the data frames in this list will determine how the files get appended. We will call the pd.concat function with our list, which will append all our data frames in that order and assign the appended data frame to a variable append. In the end, we will write the result to the desired file. Let's understand the clear function. The delete method is used here. It will delete the character at index or within the given range. Use delete function to delete all text in the widget. In this code, open function is used to choose the location where your Excel file is stored. It's very important to create a reg Excel file in your folder where this program is located, so we can see that our code is working properly. I hope you all liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel and share it to your loved ones. Your support means a lot to us. So stay tuned and meet you in next video.